Okay, today you're going to get to see how our Gua Sha and red light therapy face massage works and what it entails. So first we start off with activating these lymph nodes. It is really important before we get to the face work that we drain the lymph out of the face. And we have to prep the neck to do that. So we're going to activate these lymph nodes right here. And I can either use my hands or use a tool to do this. So depending if you have the 30 or 45-minute treatment is going to depend if I do this with my hands or with the tool. In the 30-minute, we're just going to, for sake of time, we're going to use my hands so I can do both sides at once. In the 45-minute, I can take the tool that we'll use on the face and do the lymph through the neck with it, but that takes a little bit longer, so we're just using the hands on the neck today. Then we activate these lymph nodes right here below the ear as well. And we're just going to take about 10 or so seconds to do that. Make sure that is all activated. And so now that we've cleared the neck congestion, now we can start to work on the face. Then we will start in a fan motion with this heated vibrating muscle scraper or Gua Sha tool. And we always start in a fan motion from the closest area that we have cleared the lymph, because we don't want to be pulling area that's not cleared into congested area. So we want to start with what's cleared and then fan our way out. That way everything is actually moving the way we want it to. And the reason we use an electric tool that vibrates like this one does is because that is as close as we can get to replicating the scientific studies that show us how we disrupt wrinkle production. And then if we want to work on some fine lines or wrinkles, a lot of people have concerns in that area with around their laugh lines. So we can take the tool just like this and do some sweeping motions through those laugh lines. And then we can also drag the tool this direction, and we can really hold the tissue however we need to get that drag. But this whole treatment, the reason that we do it is because lymph flow is really going to help with any puffing in the face. It helps with reducing acne. The Gua Sha also helps with reducing fine lines and wrinkles. And then the red light therapy that we use at the end is great for complexion. So that is going to improve the complexion. It's going to also reduce acne and also increase collagen, which is going to further help with reducing fine lines and wrinkles. So we can come up here, making sure that we're still doing that fanning motion for the lymph. And there are lymph nodes over here, so we can come over and activate those if we want to. And then again, that fan motion. And then we can take this tool around the eye to help with puffiness. And I just take it like this 3 times around the eye. It's not like you need to do it 3 times. I just think it feels nice and is more effective when you do it multiple times. Next and last, we're going to go through the forehead here. And then again, if someone does have any fine lines in their forehead, or those 11s that we'll see, we can always take the tool and kind of help smooth those out. And we can spend as much time focusing on those as we need to. And then once we had thoroughly worked one side of the face, we will of course repeat it on the other side of the face as well. So when it comes to the red light therapy portion, we have 2 different options. One, we can wrap it around your face just like this with those protective glasses on, of course, and then you can sit there with that, and I could massage like your hands or your feet or another part of your body, or we can do this. Other option is we can put this shelf over your face with the red light therapy on that, and then this allows me to do a scalp massage. So if you prefer me to do the scalp massage in this treatment, which I would really recommend, because it's just really going to help relax your whole head, then we can absolutely do it this way. The only real benefit to doing it the other way would be if you wanted to focus some on using red light therapy for hair regrowth, which it is shown in studies to be able to help with. Then wrapping it around the head would be better for that than how we have it currently. So it just depends on your goals and what you want out of your treatment. So this is a really relaxing and fun treatment that we do. where we use as much science-based techniques as possible to reduce puffiness in the face, to improve lymphatic flow, to improve skin tone and texture, to reduce acne, and to reduce fine lines and wrinkles.